Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll turn this down a little bit because I doubt you can hear me clearly. Right now I am leaving to go to brunch with Andy and also go shopping with Andy because we haven't done that in a while and it's long overdue. So we're going to brunch. I just filmed my entire morning routine on TikTok, so if you missed that, definitely be sure to go follow me on TikTok. But yeah, anyways, I have a full day ahead of me. I have a lot to do. I have not been actually in my apartment for like the past 3 weeks, so I have like laundry I have to unpack, I have dishes that I need to do. I just need to do a deep clean as well. Yeah, so I have a lot to do. I also need to clean out Brittany because I haven't cleaned out Brittany in a long time. I need to do all of that, and I figured I would do it all in a video. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into it.
There's bacon and there's eggs.
Oh, you got bacon and eggs, so you actually got breakfast.
Brunch.
Well, we came for brunch and I got chicken and waffles. And I asked for the scrambled, but it's not really scrambled vibes, but it's fine. It's better than sunny side up, like it said.
Scrambled without the scram.
Hey vloggy vlog. We're at the mall now. We left breakfast. We left brunch. It was a good brunch.
It was a delicious brunch.
Andy's salad actually looked good though.
It had eggs and bacon and avocado.
Yeah, mine is the avocado. I'm not really an avocado girl,
I
but
love avocado.
Your salad looks good. We're about to get hit. But anyway, we're going into the mall right now to look for some stuff for Andy. And if I find some stuff, then that's nice too.
No, I hope you walk out with more than me today.
I doubt I will.
We'll see. Place your bets in the comments below who's walking out with more.
So right now, Andy's winning in the item category. And I only have a few, but I have like casual stuff. So I got another white skirt just in case that one didn't fit. You see it?
Oh, that's cute.
I got another white skirt just in case that one didn't fit. And then I got
That's smart.
black shorts and a black skirt. The skirt is not as cute as I thought it would be. Oh, pretty. And I love the blue.
I don't know how you feel about the sleeves.
The sleeves are really cute and very professional. Extremely cute. Here's the second one. I think I like the shorts better than the skirt for sure, but it's a little too flowy on the bottom and I like lift my leg a lot, so it could get problematic.
I just don't like that one looks higher than the other. See that?
Yeah, it does. That one looks higher than that one, but I definitely like the blue dress better.
I kind of like this one too though. Can you like flatten it?
Adjust it?
Like why is it doing that?
I don't know.
I'm calling Calvin.
You have to go like that, actually.
Now are they equal?
Yeah.
Oh. I like those better than, ooh, I like those way better than the first pair.
I do like it better. Okay, this one is a little too big, but this is a fit of it. It's kind of hanging in the back, so honestly, no.
Background of your review.
No.
I don't understand what the whole.
Yeah, that part is really confusing me.
It's giving toga. That one, I like the white, but it looks really big.
It is big.
Like it doesn't look like it's staying up on you.
And this is the one that started the whole thing, the reason I grabbed the other ones. But I was pretty disappointed. I love the price, but it is very tight because it's an extra small. And I don't think that's like appropriate. Ooh!
What the?
I do like it, but it goes like,
Zips.
hold on. There, now she's fixed. I like it, but this needs to be, you would have to put like something right there the whole time. And we're going to Bath and Body Works. Right now, Andy is in the lead with the most stuff and she spent the most.
We've only been to one store.
We've only been to one store. How much did you spend in TJ Maxx? You don't even want to say it. Now we're in Bath and Body Works. Hopefully I don't get a lot here.
You know, me and Anna have worked a lot of overtime, so.
It's kind of evening itself out. These all smell basic. Wait. I almost sprayed my face. This doesn't smell like anything spectacular either. This one smells good. It smells fruity, like watermelon.
Is that apple? Why did I go like that?
It is apple.
I'm good. I can burn this.
Another store. Ooh, and it's a jumpsuit too?
Yeah.
I mean, try it on. Alright, now I have 2 dresses to try on. Andy's trying on stuff too. let's go. First off, this is definitely too big. Also, I thought the little thing would be in the front for design for the front, and it's not.
This thing's ugly, so.
And it's definitely just too big. And here is the other dress. Of course, it would be plus bra that I don't have on right now, but I think it's kind of cute. It's definitely more green than it's appearing on camera. Update vloggy vlog. We left. What was the last place that we went to? Persona. And we both got one dress from Persona. $15 each. But they're really cute dresses. So I'm very happy with that purchase. I'm not really pressed about that.
We have gotten so much stuff. It is really bad.
Yeah, and we're about to walk into a shoe store now. So I'll probably get something from here.
Anna is getting a milkshake. What flavor will she get? I'm guessing cookies and cream.
I got cookies and cream.
Should I get one? That actually looks so good.
That is good. I literally waited on Andy to walk through so I can be like, yeah, I'm not walking in that. I'm not walking in that. So I never updated you, but we're in Walmart now. And these are all of our groceries. I think we're done. Half of the stuff was not on my list. This is all Andy's stuff up here.
We're gonna be broke.
No, I think we're good. I think, well, with the cleaning products, it'll definitely knock the price up, but I think we're good. I think it'll probably cost me, my guess, what's your guess for me?
I don't know, 60?
My guess is probably 100.
What's your guess for me?
Your guess, my guess for you is probably 45, 50.
I'm guessing.
I don't know how much this makeup is though, yeah, so maybe around 65. And then my guess for me is like 115. Woo! I got cleaning supplies.
Yeah.
Andy's guess for me was 60 and my guess was like, what was it, 125?
Yeah.
So glad I was wrong and Andy was closer. I wish you were right. Hey guys, so I left Andy a little while ago. I actually left her and then came back toward my place and went to Aldi and I got some more groceries, and so I'll give you guys just a haul of everything that I got whenever I get home, which should be in a few minutes. Hey guys, I am in my apartment now. I was sitting in the car for a long time, but I'm in my apartment now. I'm on FaceTime with my sister. And now I can kind of give you guys a haul of all of the groceries and everything that I got, and I guess it'll be a haul for you too, Lauren, of everything that I got. And then yeah, I think after this I'm going to put up the clothes that I have just chilling over here on the floor from my trips. So I'll start with Walmart since I got the most from them. I got some new beauty blender stuff because I get tired. I would rather get new beauty blenders than to clean the one that I have. So more lotion, apple, oatmeal, 2 bags of salad, 2 bags of trail mix, eggs, toilet bowl cleaner, foaming spray, Drano. Yeah, and then I got some of these to go on my Swiffer mop. Then I also got the scrubber to scrub the tub, a ton more makeup wipes, and I also got more sugar scrub from Aldi. I got some salsa, some tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, and then I got the turkey sausage links, 4 bags of broccoli, mandarin oranges, and then I also got some Pop-Tarts from Aldi. And that's hi Lauren, that's everything that I got. And so now I get to put all of this up, and then I will go through putting up the clothes that are on my floor right now. Honestly, one of my favorite bikinis, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys some of the ones that I regret buying. Here's the full case of my bikinis. I think I still have some in the box over there, but obviously those are newer, so I of course would not regret buying those. I just bought them. So I'm gonna go through these and show you guys just because I'm actually interested myself. I definitely regret buying this one. This is so ugly. Like I said when I tried it on, the fact that I can see my belly button is killing me. It's so ugly.
So good.
My sister's in the background. But also, I just think that this will look better if I had like a longer torso. I have such a short torso that it would look better even when I pull like that. It just looks better. So So honestly, I fully regret buying this, and like all the detailing. It's just ugly. This is so ugly.
But do you know what it's giving? It's giving
Kylie Swim.
Kylie Swim.
This is another one that I kind of regret buying. The top is so pretty. I love the top. I've gotten used to spreading this out a little bit more. Before, I liked them kind of like closer together, but no, I kind of like them spread it out a little bit more. And I like this top because it's long and it makes my torso look a little longer. So I do like that. But the bottoms, I'll tell you why, I just do not like these bottoms like at all. I like the strings on the side and the opportunity to have it a little bit higher, but I just hate how low rise it is. I think that is so unflattering. And then also this, you can't like scrunch the front of it. And I just think, I don't know, it's just very limiting on how you can wear this. And yeah, so that's why I definitely regret buying it. I'm pretty sure in the video that I tried this on, I made it clear why I hate this one, but it's just the top. Like the top is padded, and I was looking for a padded top, but like it's padded too much. Like it's airy and it just doesn't, it's not flattering on me. It's way too big. I wish this could spread apart, but it cannot. It's just like that, and I really, really, really hate this. This is, honestly, I will never ever wear this bikini. The bottoms are weird too because there's only one tie and it's on this side. I do like how the bottom's scrunch though. I do like that, and I do like how high-waisted you could have it, but I just wish there was a tie on both sides. This is honestly so ugly, and I will never wear this. Now this one, you can obviously tell why I regret buying it. Honestly, I bought this a while ago, so I'll give myself a little bit of credit there. But the pattern in it, I'm not really big on patterns at all, so, and this is a little too girly for me. I would honestly never wear this, and I just don't really like the drop here in the front because it really accentuates, like if you eat anything, your stomach will hang over this drop and it will not look cute. It will not be flattering at all. Also, I don't know why I felt like, you know, I could get a small and it would be perfectly fine because it's not. This top looks like it definitely does not fit me. And that's saying something if the top doesn't fit me. Like it's just too small. And I don't like the patterns, and I also just don't like the fit of this. All right, this is the last one I'm trying on. I absolutely hate this bikini, and I can tell you why. Okay, I love the bottoms. The bottoms are so cute. The bottoms here scrunch in the front, which I love. I think is so, so cute. I also love how it ties right here, and I don't know. The bottoms are flattering. The bottoms you can adjust, and it can like fit however you want it, the preference and everything. Bottoms are cute. But the top, okay, first off, I don't even want to get into how confusing it is to tie this top or like put it on. It's kind of like a jacket the way I put it on, but it's very annoying. But anyways, so if you don't have a chest, this is definitely not the bikini for you. It is so airy and it just hangs, and I don't know if you can see it, like it just looks just not flattering on. I've seen people wear this though. I've seen other people with this on, and they have a bigger chest, and so it just looks more flattering. But yeah, that was fun, and that is going to conclude this video. Honestly, there are probably so many more that I could try on. Those are just the ones on top that I could pick out really quick. I can actually think of more that I regret buying, but those definitely for sure. But yeah, so that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video.